province of Ontario has lost some 300,000 manufacturing jobs in the past decade, and those traditional manufacturing jobs, the big factory floors, experts agree aren't coming back. So what does the future look like? Well, let me give you a case study in survival and success with my next two guests. Bob Benner is here, the president of Hamill Machine. Good morning, Mr. Benner.
Good morning.
And with Mr. Benner, we have Marc Nantel, and I'm going to get your title right, Vice President of Research and Innovation Division at Niagara College. Good morning to you as well. Bonjour. I want to talk about your story. Hamill Machine started as a general machine shop in 1948.
That's correct.
You took a look at the lay of the land and where manufacturing was going, and what did you decide to do?
Well, manufacturing in 1948 it was all heavy industry in Niagara Falls. It's evolved over the years, and it got into more of the food industries. Ford was in Niagara Falls. They all left over the years. So we basically took our machine shop and had to reinvent ourselves. We did that by getting into new technologies, 3D engineering, new markets, and we had to find what was sustainable in the Niagara region, which is wineries and the food industries, which has been great for us.
So you turned from automotive to wine.
Exactly.
And went small and more specialized.
And more specialized. We used everything that was available to us, especially the colleges, the universities. We used young people.
Come to that in a second.
Because.
Well, give me an example of a product, for example, that you would have created. Some particular example to show how you made that transition.
One in particular is with the wine industry. We designed special wine racks to hold their barrels that were not being manufactured anywhere else, because we went from 4 wineries, I believe, 10 years ago to 130 now.
Okay.
So there's lots of product to be sold.
Isn't that amazing? So you're having success. You adapted and are having success with that. Tell me how Niagara College came in, Marc.
Well, the applied research area in colleges has really gone big since 2002, when the province has made it part of the act of the college to do applied research. And we help small and medium companies develop new product, new services, and put them out on the market there. That way they are more prosperous, they hire our students. So it's all about the students.
It's a win-win-win all around.
Yes,
but is that the future in your view for manufacturing? Here we talk about how much this has been so badly hurt. Is what you're doing the way to go?
Absolutely. There's a lot of manufacturing still in this area. You just have to find it. It's different. Everything is different than it was 50 years ago. We just have to adapt to it. We have a lot of young talent here. We have the colleges that have the equipment that we need to be able to move forward.
Okay. We just heard one of the MPs from the area talk about government offering help. Give me your take on all of that. Is the help that government's offering really the help you need to make transitions like the one that you did? It
is, but they're cutting back, which I don't understand, because, for example, we've had apprentices for 20 years before we ever got help. We started getting help, much needed help. We were given $10,000 a year per apprentice, which is, we need that. But now it's being cut back to $5,000 a year, so I don't understand that.
Even though they talk about jobs and skills training, all those things.
Exactly. With research and development, we spend a lot of money on research and development because this is how we have to survive. They're cutting those dollars back. I don't understand that. We have the talent here, but we need the help to get to the next level.
Okay, so let me let you weigh in on this. It's an election year. You don't know who's watching us. There must be a message. What do you think would be more effective help from government, from the parties running, to help companies like Hamill Machine make a successful transition?
Well, certainly in recent years, certainly on the college side, there's been a lot more help for us to engage companies like Hamill Machine, certainly at both the provincial and the federal level. So we're fairly happy with this.
Okay.
Can there be more? There can always be more, because there's a lot of companies out there with ideas and with markets to access. And our job is to find them and for them to find us, and for us to take the college's infrastructure, our students, our equipment, and help them solve their problems. I mean, we're working with Bob right now on a new product, and I really hope that it's going to go well. And we have ways to bring forward resources to help them.
Just need that very specialized help. Gentlemen, thank you very much. I have to close things off there, but small and specialized sounds like the future of manufacturing. And they know about manufacturing here where we are today, Niagara Falls, Ontario.